protocol is a set of rules that computers use to talk to each other. One of the most common protocols is HTTP, used when you open a website. When you type a website address and press enter, your browser sends a request using HTTP. First, it needs to find the location of the website. It uses another protocol called DNS to convert the domain name, like example.com, into an IP address. Once the address is found, your browser connects to the server using TCP/IP, which makes sure the request travels safely and in the right order. If the site is secure using HTTPS, an extra layer of protection is added through SSL/TLS encryption. Now, the request reaches the web server. The server checks what you're asking for, maybe a home page or product page. It may pass the request to backend code, written in languages like JavaScript or Python, which may also talk to a database to fetch or store information. Once the server prepares the content, it sends back a response using HTTP. This response includes a status code like 200 for success and the requested content like a web page or data. Your browser receives the response, understands it, and displays the website on your screen. It might also make more requests for images or other parts of the page. This entire process, from request to response, happens in just a few seconds, and it works smoothly because both browser and server follow the same protocol rules.